I'll tell you, it's very good. I take and fry onions, a couple onions up.
You're talking about deer, Michigan, and you still hunt.
Yeah, yes, I still hunt. I'm 87. I shot a 4-point the first day. Anyway, I fry that up with onions. Fry onions up first, and I brown the deer meat. I cut all the tallow, all the fat out because it's strong. Then then I put a can of mushroom soup in, and I cook it an hour. And that mushroom soup is a really good gravy. Everybody at the prayer meeting loved it. And I'm going to make up some for Michael.
Well, there's Josh and Ron and Mike did out their wills, and we put you in the will because we've been hearing this promise about deer meat, and we ain't got any, and you're coming out of the will if we don't produce.
Okay. Now, do you want me to make enough for your whole crew? I'll make enough for all of your people that you work with and you.
Yeah. Whatever you want. And if there's too much, can we freeze it and then give it out a little bit at a time?
You can give some to Teresa and Bill. But I'm telling you, I'll cook up a big pan of it. I had enough to feed 12, 14 people at the prayer meeting, and they loved it.
You're going back in the will. You're going to get all the gold in my backyard from the surface to China.
And then I have one thing more to say.
All right.
I have an excellent lawyer by the name of Michael Kotarski, and I take him over all of those people that advertise on TV. I said, Michael's the best.
Thank you. You give me, let me get this done.